I chose that image because of Tom's dedication to fire and his light the fire character. And I've been learning more about that light the fire character. Tom's spirit is that halo of light that you see in both worlds, the gold earth world and the blue world. The boundary is thin. The spirit will cross. And it's that spirit that will keep us and give us love to move forward from this time. In the opening of the buds and in the warmth of summer,
we remember you.
In the rustling of leaves and the beauty of autumn,
we remember you.
Tom has been a gift, and he has touched lives, and he has touched each and every one of us. And I don't know if Tom really realized what a gift he was. I hope so. I hope so. So tonight, I invite you to come and share your memories of Tom.
And as you read in the back of his obituary, it talks about all the things he was so talented at doing, carpentry and boating and motorcycling and everything else. And in all the time I've known Tom, he's never had to struggle to do anything. He was spot on, mastered it the way he went. Tom was just an amazing person to be around. And if I was to say what I think of when I think of Tom, it's an absolute huge smile.
But I really had the privilege to work with him. One super guy. The only difference was this earring. Tom wore an earring, and boy, we talked about that a lot, because I wasn't an earring person, but we had a lot of fun over the stuff. But, I was fortunate, really, to work with a super guy.
And I'm going to attempt to do what Tom would have done. I'm not going to be as good at it as he was. Tom, for our family, took care of these kinds of things. He stood in front of people, presented our family, made us proud, did the work for us, the Schneiders, the Carringtons, all of us. He was very good at what he did, professionally, personally. So, from the whole family, we'd like to thank everyone that's here tonight. Thank you for your prayers, taking time up to come here, be with us. As you know, this is a really sad time for us. We're going to miss him. Thank you.
So we were upstairs, and I think it was Tom's room, and tables were set up in there, and there was a bunch of us sitting around the table, and we were all laughing, and a car drives by, really loud, no mufflers. And Tom gets up, and he opens the window, and he says, "Hey, Magicize!" And it was really funny, because that was a commercial at the time, and we all laughed. It was really funny, so that's my story.
When it came to Tom, he didn't want to admit we were his sisters, because he didn't want to have to live up to the expectations that the teachers were going to put on him. And he did it his own way, and he didn't. We also, from the Schneider family, want to thank everybody for coming and showing the love and support you have tonight. What can I say? There's a hole in our hearts, and there will be for a long time. But with all of you here, we're going to help heal and remember and have great times, and I just appreciate seeing all the faces here today. Thank you very much.
I said, Tom, I need to run the combine because I got no cows. So I told him, put them in the field, I got them going, they went well, and I said, but 3 hopperfuls in that truck is all the truck can take. It's a single axle, so don't, and the box is too big, so don't, just 3 hopperfuls. Well, I come back up after milking, and the truck was heaped up a little bit off the far side and sunk in the mud. And I said, Tom, it all worked out. I got it out and go safely and whatever. But his goal was to finish that field that night, which was not a bad goal.
I remember the first time that I met Tom, me and Christy pulled up on the motorcycle, and we were at the Burnside School, and here's this guy in these crazy colored Zuba pants, like neon colored, and I thought, who's this crazy guy? First impression was right, he was a crazy guy.
Tom came with us a lot. He was one of the boys, no matter how ridiculous it was or what we were doing, he was there with us. Tom is something that I want to strive to be in a man. He was, yeah, just amazing. So
Tom is such a great guy, great man, great role model for all of us. For us cousins and kids growing up, we all knew him as mean old Uncle Tom. Obviously you all knew him, so that was my first experience with sarcasm. I didn't get it at first, but obviously there was nothing mean about him. A couple months ago, my wife and I got married, and we had the privilege of having Tom marry us. I remember asking Tom Christmas time last year, and he was so excited he started crying right there at the Christmas table. He was very honored to do it, and we were honored to have him. But we left that night, and within an hour and a half, he had texted me, and he was already ordained. He was ready. We were 9 months out, but Tom was ready. He was a great man. And I'll always remember that and remember that about him. So, thank you.
He could express his feelings. He could tell you how he felt about you. We heard tonight that he could cry. And mostly, we heard that he could bring the levity back with laughter and fun and friendship and relationship. All of you here are a tribute to Tom, a tribute, you have given testimony and a tribute to his life. So, in closing of our sharing, and the memories really help our heart, and hopefully they help yours to heal. But I wrote, Tom is what we all strive to be in the fullness of life. Love. He was love in action. Love generously given and love graciously received is what gives meaning to our lives. And it is the life-giving source that is eternal. Now, Tom has passed the torch of his light and his enduring love unto us, and it will serve us until we meet again. Thank you all who shared. Thank you all.
As I listened to and thought, wow, what a man, what a spirit. And he has touched so many. And yes, we're standing still, but we'll move on because of Tom and because of the love.
I will wait for the time when we can soar together again, both aware of each other. Until then, live your life to its fullest. And when you need me, just whisper my name in your heart. I will be there.
Eternal rest grant unto him, O Lord. Let the light shine upon him. May Tom and all the souls of the faithful departed, especially his daughter, baby Danny, his mother Edna, his father Carl, and his father-in-law Larry. May they all rest in God's eternal peace. Amen. Amen.